Okay, so once you get to this stage, what you want to do is take a piece of, this is an acetate paper. You could get it at art supply stores. It usually comes in sheets. This is actually for cake decorating, this piece, and it comes in bands. So you just take this. I like to mark it with some tape just so I know where it is. Sometimes with it being clear, if you put it down, you'll lose it. So just kind of tape it and you always know where it is. So what I want to do is just bend it. The nice thing about this is you can cup it. So just cup it and go all the way around. So notice what I'm doing. I'm keeping the acetate in one spot and I'm turning the cake. Okay, now what I want to do is go over the top. And when you start to get a little bit too much buttercream on there, just wipe that off. See how I actually get underneath there and pull that icing up, that excess icing that's on the board. If you leave that there, it's going to be harder for you to remove the cake from the cake board when you need to later. And we're almost there. We're almost ready to pop this in the freezer. And what that'll do is it'll harden the icing, and that way we can smooth it out a little bit more. It's just a little bit faster process than me sitting here and playing with it until you get it smooth. Okay, so I'm going to set that one aside, get this other one, put it up here. And this one, you don't really have to carve in because the hamburger bun is usually, the sides are pretty straight. And then this is where the hamburger patty is going to go, and then that will go on top. So all I have to do is just ice this one as is. You want to make sure you have enough icing on there that you can't see the cake through the icing. And you can take some off the top. What's going to happen here in the centers, we're actually going to have more icing in there. So I want that to be a little bit thinner. Now when you get to this stage, you take one of these smoothers and just go all the way around the cake. Take off the excess icing and then go from the top and pull in. These are great because you can even clean off the icing that's on the board there. Okay, and at this stage, this one's also ready to go in the freezer. So I'll go ahead and put both of these in the freezer, and we'll come back when they're set up.